Sai, good evening, Sai. Good evening, Sai. Good evening. So today we'll go for a quadratic equation by factorization. I think you all know about factorization, how to factorize. You have a this thing. Let us consider quadratic equation. See, Sai has come. Find the roots of the equation. See what you know. Yesterday, what last 2 days we were discussing about the today. Uh, Abhishek, good evening. Sai, good evening, Sai. Abhishek and good evening to you both. So today, how to solve this equation by factorization. Sai and Abhishek, I think you will be knowing about this factorization method. Okay, say 2 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Shivakumar, good evening. Good evening, Shivakumar. Shivakumar, good evening. Sai, Abhishek, and Shivakumar there. Okay. See now we are going to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. So how to this factorization? See how you? I think you all know this. Let us take this middle term. Okay, we are taking this middle term. We have to split the middle term into two numbers, such that the addition of those two numbers will give you this minus 5x. Then the multiplication or the product of those two numbers should give you 3. Okay, so what will be the probable numbers here? Here, this first is here. You take minus 5x can be written as minus 3x and minus 2x. Okay. Yes, minus 3 into minus 2 will give you plus 6. The product here, product of these two is 6. The addition of these two things is here. So now we can write like this. See, the 2x square minus 3x minus 2x, okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. So, first you have to take these two things and the other two things. So I'll take here common is, what is a common? X is common. Okay. So we can write like this. We can arrange like this. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are taking 2x common. It will be x minus 1. So what is in these brackets also should come here. X, you can immediately put like this, x minus 1. Yes, good. So it will be minus 3 here. So minus 3 into x minus 3x minus into minus will be equal to 0. Now we can put like this. See, 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can say either 2x minus 1 should be 0. See, 2x minus 3 should be equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Either 2x minus 1 should be 0 or x minus 1. That's why multiplication of this will give you 0. So now I'll put 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 1 root is 3 by 2. Likewise, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So you have 2. So these are called the two roots. We can call it as two roots. You can verify whether this condition, whether if you substitute the value for x 3 by 2, or if you substitute the value of x is equal to 1, you must get 0. So let us verify it. Okay, see this. Can you see this? Sai, Abhishek, Shivakumar, is it okay for you? The answers, are you able to follow this? X is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 1. So how to verify it? See, how to verify it means you just substitute. I'll substitute here. It is 2x square minus 5x plus 3. First I'll put 3 by 2. See, x is equal to 3 by 2 means 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 by will become, see, 3 by 2 square. So 3 by 2 into will be 9 by 4 into 9 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Just I want to verify whether we are getting 0 for that. If it satisfies the condition, then these are the roots of the quadratic, this equation, the both side equation. So it will be like this. See, you cancel 2, 2, 2. So it will be 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us take the LCM 2. Okay. So 2 means 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0, or 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. See, when 2 into 0 is 0. So 9 plus 6 is 15. It will be 15 minus 15. 15 minus 15 minus 15 is equal to, so 3 by 2 satisfies this condition. Likewise, substitute for 1. Likewise, substitute for 1. Put the value of x as 1. Now check and tell me whether it is getting 0. You will be getting 0. Okay, what's this one? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 1. The other value, next value x is equal to 1. It is there. So substitute the value 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2 into 1 square is 1 only, then 2 minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Clear? So this condition is being satisfied. So we get into two linear factors equating each factor to 0. So when you substitute this, the value of x in this equation, you must get 0. Then only it satisfies. Okay, clear? Now please solve this and find out. Sai, Abhishek, Shivakumar, please solve this. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Try this. Sai, Shivakumar, Abhishek, please solve this problem. 6x square minus x minus 2 and tell me what are the roots. Find the value of x and tell me. Find the two values of x and tell me. Are you trying? Find the values of x. Find the values of x and tell me. If you are not getting it, I'll solve. But anyway, you try and tell me. 6x square minus x minus 2. Please, Sai, Shivakumar, Abhishek, try this problem. Sai, is there? Sai, Abhishek, Shivakumar, trying this problem? Or you want me to solve this problem? You want me to solve this problem? Sai, Shivakumar, tell me if you want me to solve. You try, otherwise I'll tell you and I'll solve this problem. So you want me to solve? Okay, Shivkumar, I'll try this. You're not getting the values. Okay. Now Shivkumar, I'll put this problem like see first. I'm taking 6x square minus x minus 2 is minus 2 is equal to 0. So completed. Good. Abhishek completed. Okay, tell me the answer. Abhishek, give me the answer. What is the value for x you're getting? Abhishek, give me the answer. Okay, okay, good. 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Take it. Yo, come out. Take it. 1 by 2. Yes, good. 2 by 3. Snake has come to now. Good. Abhishek, you said completed. Please give me the answer. It should be 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Anyway, I'll try to solve. I'll solve this problem. Please see, watch this. I'll solve this problem. 6x square minus x minus 2. So this product here, I told you, this products of 6 into 12 is giving you how much? It should get 12 you should get. So what I'm trying to do, I'll split this into 2. I'll split this into 2 so that the multiplication of the two numbers will come. How it will be? It will see, I can write like 6x square minus 3x minus, sorry, I can put plus. So it will be plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it's common for this 6x square, this thing, and this I will take. These two. 6x square minus 3x. So 3x is common. 3x is common. Okay. Here also 3x. So it should be, sorry, plus. Alright. Good. 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2. So now common for this first two 6x square is 3x is common. So I take 3x outside. So if you multiply 3x by 2x, you will get 6x square plus 1. Immediately you can put here, the same thing should come here, 2x plus 1. So in between will be minus 2. So minus 2 into 2x will be minus 4x. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 2. Clear? So how I am splitting this? Clear? I want Sai to understand this. Sai, it's okay. Sai and Abhishek, Shivakumar are able to. So now it will be like this: 3x minus 2 1 into 2x plus 1 0. So you have to common in these things you can take 1, and 3x minus 2 will be like this. So now either 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3. Here 2x plus 1 is equal to mean 2x minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus half. So you got two values. So x is equal to 2 by 3 or x is equal to, good. Shivakumar, 1 x by 2, no, 2 by 3, good. 2 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3. The other one is, it should be minus half, 1 by 2, good. So it should be 1 by 2. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Abhishek, it's okay for you? Shukmar's night, okay. Abhishek, Sai, you want me to explain again? Sai, do you want me to explain again? Is it clear? Sai, do you have any problem? Again, you want me to explain? Right? Want me to explain? No. Okay, thank you. So you understood this. Shall we move to the next problem? Good. See this? How it has worked out. See the worked out here. So if you substitute the value of like 2 by 3 and minus half, you will get 2. So it will be, both are the roots of the equation. Both of the roots of the equation. That x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. No problem, Sai. Sorry, Sai. I could not find out the answer here. Anyway, good. You have understood? No. My idea is to, if you understood well, no problem, no problem. Thank you. So I will solve this next problem. Try to solve this problem. This is a little bit difficult to separate, but I want you to try this problem. Okay. Now solve this problem. Okay. Shivakumar, Sai, everybody try this problem. Sai, Shivakumar, everyone try this problem. Okay. This problem, I'll, yes, root 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Good. Root 2 by root 2 by 3. Good. Root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. Sai, it's good. Yes. Now I'm able to see. Sai is good, correct? Then what about others, please? Shivakumar. Okay. I'll solve this problem. How how I'll split this? See here. The problem is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. See here, this 3 into 2, you must get 6. Am I right? So how I am splitting here, this here, so it will be 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry. Is equal to 0. See, if you multiply, what is this? Root 6 into root 6 will give you how much? 6. Am I right? Root into root will get cancelled. It will get 6. Now come here. So here, how I am writing this, you should see here. See this thing. This is here like this. Here, this is root 6 you have to come means I take, see, 1 root 3x as common. Root 3x. See, for 3x square it will come like this. 3 root 3x. See, if you multiply here root 3x into root 3x will give you 3x square. Are you able to follow? Again telling you 3x square is equal to root 3x into root 3x will give you. Clear? Minus, so it will be here minus root 2. So see, root 3x into root 3x will give you 3x square. Root 3x into minus 2 will give you root 6x. Likewise here minus the bracket here, it will be 3x minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here what will get? Here you will also get root 2. When you multiply by root 2 into root 3x, it will be root 6x. Clear? So now it will be like this. Root 3x minus root 2 to root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So either, see both are either root 3x minus root 2 will be equal to 0. Likewise, root 3x minus 2 is equal to, so this also will be there also. Here root will come. F5. Now see the values root 3x minus root 2, then root 3x minus 2. So either both same. So x is equal to 2 by, it will be repeated twice. X is equal to root of 2 by 3. X is equal to root of 2 by 3 twice it will come. Same thing will come. Sai, okay. Other things, Shivakumar, do you find difficult? Are you able to follow? Now see this, view this and tell me how we have brought it. Is it okay? Shivakumar, please tell me. Shivakumar. Abhishek. Abhishek, are you comfortable? Abhishek. I want Shivakumar and Abhishek to answer. Yes, good. Snegit. Sai, okay. Shivakumar, okay. Abhishek, do you have any problem, network problem or anything? Please answer me, Abhishek. Shall we go to the next problem? Shall I proceed? Please. Abhishek, okay. Thank you, Abhishek. Good, good, Abhishek. Thank you. So I shall proceed. Okay. The other section will leave this. Now solve this problem. A snake is also good. Okay. Now find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Try this. Try this and tell me. This is exercise 4.2 in your textbook. Exercise 4.2 in your textbook. Okay. Chokmar, very good. 2 and 5. Very nice. See, check the answer. Minus 2 only, no? Yeah, minus 2 only again. Good. So minus 2 and 5. Shokmar, Good. What about Sai, Abhishek, Snegit? In this problem, shall write this. The x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. How we are going to solve x square? Good, Abhishek. It's minus 2 and 5. So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. I'm splitting this into 5 and 2. Minus 5 and plus 2. Clear? Minus 5 and plus 2. Okay. Now for these two things, first equation x into x minus 5. So the thing should come here, x minus 5. So here it will be plus 2. So what are these roots? X plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So either x plus 2 should be equivalent to 0. Good, Snagit. Very nice. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 2. Then other answer x will be, other root is x is equal to 5. Now I want you to substitute and find the whether it satisfies. So let us verify whether this root. Okay. First I'll substitute the value as 5 in this. So I'll put, say, put x is equal to minus 2. So what all the equation be minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole square will be 4. Minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. Minus 10 is equal to 0. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. That means what? This satisfies the equation. X is equal, if you substitute x is equal to minus 2 in the equation, the quadratic equation, we get 0. So the answer is right. Now likewise, we'll put x as 5 and find out whether it satisfies the thing. Say x is equal to 5. It will be put x is equal to put x is equal to 5. So 5 square minus 3 into 5. Am I right? Minus 10 is equal to 0. So 5 square will be 25 minus 15 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So 0 is good. So this equation is solved. Let's go through it. Let's see that how we are getting this 5 and 2. Snegit good, Abhishek good, Sivakumar good. Sai, you're watching? Or you have any network problem? Sai, you are there? So now okay, this is okay. Okay, verification, no problem. Now solve this problem. Now solve this quadratic equation, 2x square plus x minus 6. Okay, Sai, thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai. Now see, solve this problem, Sai. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Find out the roots for it. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Solve this problem and tell me what are the roots you are getting. Good, Sai. Very nice. Minus 2 and 3 by 2. Exact right. Very nice. Sai, it's good. Good. Snegit, Abhishek, Shivakumar. Please try. Abhishek, Snegit, and tell me. The root should be minus 2 and 3 by 2. The answer should be minus 3, minus 2 and 3 by 2. Good, Shivakumar. Good. Minus 2 and 3 by 2. So Abhishek is also getting the answer. Good. Negative 3 by 2 and minus 2. Then exactly right. Okay. Negative Abhishek, Shivakumar. Sorry, all of them are right. Okay, now we move on to the next problem. So you see this, how this work out. Just take it up. That's all. So when you substitute it will become 0. Substitute the value of x minus 2, the equation, you will get 0. Likewise, substitute the value of by 3 by 2, you will get 0. Good. Okay. Shall we move on to the next problem? Please do this problem. There is substituting for root 3 by 2. If you substitute, you will get like this only. That also will be 0 like that. Okay. Now solve this problem. Solve this problem. 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 7x. Small error is there. Okay. The problem should be root 2x square. The problem should be like this. The problem here, I'll write here. It should be root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. The problem should be like this. Root 2x square. Root 2x square. Am I right? The problem should be root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. So this problem I'll solve here. Here 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So this I'll split this like this. 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Roots are minus 5. Okay. Good. Minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Good side. Excellent. Good. So now we will take these two. This will be like this. See, root 2x common. We will take it root 2x. You take out, it will be x plus root 2. Root 2x, x plus root 2 here plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. You get root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So either root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5x is equal to 0. That is root 2 x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 by root 2. Likewise here x plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. So x is equal to minus 5 by root 2, one answer. Then x is equal to minus root 2. Clear? Clear everybody? So I'll move this. So when you substitute, when we substitute this value, you will get here. Now Therefore, the values of the or the roots of the quadratic equation. Clear, everybody? So I'll be moving to the next problem. If you have any doubt, yes, Shokmar, good, good. So if you substitute and we'll find out. Good, Shokmar, good, Sahil, so good. I hope Snake and Abhishek also would have solved this problem. I'll just make it a move. Then see how this next. Verification for root x minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in the quadratic equation. So see that the equation is root 2 x square. So instead of x square, you put that minus root 2 square plus 7x. 7 into minus 2 plus 5 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 root square will become minus root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So it is 2 root 2 plus 7 minus 7 root 2 plus 5 root 2. So plus 5 root 2 and 2 root 2 will become 7 root 2. Then 7 root 2 minus 7 root 2 will become 0. So which is correct. Clear? Therefore, it is correct. Then likewise, if you put minus 5 by root 2 in the equation also, you will get here how you are getting. So minus, see, please see the answers. I'm checking whether this root is satisfies this equation. I want to know whether I'm checking whether these roots are satisfying this quadratic equation. So now it's a confirmed one. It's a quadratic equation because both of them are getting the answer 0. Okay, fine. Now we will move on to the next thing. Shall we move to the next problem? Yes. We solve this problem. Solve this problem. Solve this problem. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. I want everybody to give me the answer. I want everybody to give me the answer. I want everybody to give this answer. Want me to write it in this thing? You have to solve this problem. Do this problem. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Tell me the answer. Want to try this? Try this problem. I want all the 4 to try this. Shukmar, Sai, Snegit, and also Abhishek. Try this problem and tell me. Try this problem and tell me. The problem visible? Or you want me to write and show you? Problem? I'll bring it down. Solve this problem. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. I hope you are all solving this problem. The problem is clear. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Sai, is it 4 by 1 or 1 by 4? Sai, the roots are 4 by 1 or 1 by 4. You just tell me whether it's 1 by 4 or just check it aside. Sai, can you check your answer? Sai, please check your answer. Kumar, good. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Sai, I want you to check your answer. Kumar, right? It's 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Nejit and Abhishek, you have problem, I'll solve it, no problem. I'll tell you. But anyway, try. Good, good. It's 1 by 4. Yes, Sai. Sai, Shivakumar and Sai is okay. About Negid, take good. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Got it right. Yes, right. You are right, Abhishek. You are right. Yes, you are right. Abhishek, you are right. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Good, good, good. Negid, Negid, you want me to solve the problem or shall I proceed? Negid, do you have any difficulty? I will solve it. Negid, please can you tell me whether I shall proceed or not? Or you want me to solve this problem? Check okay, Sai okay, Shokmar okay, all are right given. Only I think I'm missing Snagit here. Snagit, do you have any net problem or you have any problem solving you have? Good. Thank you, Snagit. You also come out the correct answer. Good, good. So shall I proceed? So when you substitute x is equal to 1 by 4, you will get 0. See here. So we are getting 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So both the roots of the quadratic equation are 1 by 4. Okay. So we just solve it. Put x on the quadratic, we see that it will be like this only. When you substitute x is equal to 1 by 4, you see the screen, are able to follow this. The 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 whole square will be 1 by 16. See this how it becomes here. I'll take see this step. It will be here 2 into 1 by 16 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. This 2 will get cancelled. It will be 8. So it will be like this 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So 1 by 8, 8 we add like this. See here 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. Let's see 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 8, 1 by 8, let's see, you will add, it will be 8 plus 2 by 8 minus 1 by 4. It will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 will give you 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to. Clear? Thank you. Negit, you want me to solve the problem? Okay, okay, again I'll solve it. No problem, no problem. Wait. Then wait. Okay. I'll solve these problems, Negit. Here 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. See, this how I am splitting it. Minus, see this 2x square, I'll write this in the minus x. I'll solve like this: minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x. See, minus 1 by 2x and minus 1 by 2x will give you minus x. Am I right? Plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Yes. Now, please watch this. Here, this x, what I am doing, I am splitting this x as minus half x minus half x. Minus half x minus half x will give you minus x. Here, minus x. See, now, see 2x square, it will be, see here 2x square means I am taking common x outside. So, x outside. So, it will be 2x minus half. Am I right? 2x minus half into here minus 2 1 by 2x plus 1 by 8 can be written as minus, it should be 1 by 4 into 2x minus half is equal to 0. See, if you multiply minus 1 by 4 into 2x, 2 and we'll get half x. You will get half x. Likewise, minus 1 by 4 into minus 2 will give you plus 1 by 8. Are you able to follow this negative? This step is okay for you. Okay. Now, see, it will be like this: x minus 1 by 4 into 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 by 4. So, one answer you got. Here you come 2x is equal to 1 by 2. See, I am taking this half this side. So, x is equal to 1 by 2. This 2 will come down. So, into 2. That is equal to 1. Nagit, is it okay for you? Is it visible? Nagit, now you understood? Nagit, are you able to understood? Thank you. Ma. Then you can very well substitute in that equation. Then it will become 0. Clear? Okay. Now solve this problem. Why you have to substitute 8 in the equation? What 8? It's only 1 by 4, 1 by 4 only we are getting. I don't understand. What is the 8 in the equation? It is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. So we can't substitute 8, no. It's 1 by 4, 1 by 4 only. We are getting the result for x is equal to 1 by 4 and x is equal to 1 by 4. It is 2x minus half, that's 2 will be this side. 2x equal to half, then x will 2 will come downstairs only. It should be 1 by 4 only. Okay, you can't substitute 8 in that equation. 8 means, see, that is a different thing. So you have to multiply the whole equation by 8. So that will become 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's what you can do like that. So if you do like that, that also you will get the multiply by 8 in equation. You will get Sivakumar. That also you can be done. See, I will put here. You want to do this like this. See here. What you are trying to tell this, you want to do like this. See, that also possible. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now, Shivakumar wants to multiply the whole equation by 8. Yeah, that's true. That will be, see, 8 into 2x square minus 8 into x plus 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 0. See, this 8 will get cancelled. Rest of it, the equation can be formed like this: 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now it can be written as 4 minus 4, this thing 4 means, or like that you can do this, you can solve this equation and you will get it. Clear? You can solve it, you can solve it this way also, doesn't matter. Okay, now solve this next problem. 100x square minus 20x plus 1. Good, Abhishek is good. 100x square minus 20x plus 1. Snegit as 1 by 10. Good. Abhishek is good. Snegit is 1 by 10. Then good. Abhishek over Snegit over Shivkumar. Try this. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, Shivkumar 1 by 10. So it will be 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Like what Sai says, its two roots will be 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Same. Both the roots of the quadratic equation are 1 by 10. So you can verify also, no? Shivkumar got one, sides okay, Snegit okay, Abhishek all done. Okay? Good. So with this we will stop this. Okay? With this we'll wind up this. And tomorrow we can continue. Okay? Yes, Shivkumar, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Yes, good. Thank you, students. Thank you. So exercise 4.2, another 5 problems are pending. We'll do it next class. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you, Shivkumar. Thank you, Abhishek, Snegit, Sai. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good day. Shivkumar, it's okay. Classes. Shivkumar, Abhishek, Snegit. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Abhishek. Good. Shivkumar, good. Aditya sir. Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sai. I'm happy. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Thank you, Shivkumar. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Good day. Let us meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Shivkumar. Thank you, Snegit. And thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you all. Please, thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.